Hi everybody, welcome. I'm here to talk to you today about, they're called ETAIS. These are a new requirement to travel in Europe. So anybody who is looking to travel in Europe in the first quarter, like I think it's late of the first quarter in 2025, so around April, I believe. But you should check online to be absolutely sure when they start enforcing this, okay? So, welcome to Elderly Adventures with Donna. So I'm Donna, and I am bringing this information for anybody looking to go to Europe, okay? So this new travel document is going to be very important. There's many countries, about 60 countries, that will have to have this new document, or they will not be able to go to 30 of the European countries that I will list, okay? So don't worry, I'll list all that. I'll also list the website that you can find this information, okay? So I just wanted to tell you a little bit about it. So they say 1.4 billion people will be required to have this document to travel in Europe, all right? It is for short-term stays of up to 90 days within a 180-day period. It is linked to your regular travel document, so if you have a passport or whatever you use, they do have requirements, so make sure it is a valid travel document that they accept, okay? So there are some requirements that make it acceptable or not, okay? It also has to be valid, and it has to be able to, you have to be able to get this visa to be affixed to it, okay? And it can't be expired in less than 3 months, and it can't be older than 10 years. There is going to be a fee. So it is a fee of €7. So €7 is the fee, unless you're under 18, or for us seniors, well, not me yet, but soon, if you're over 70. So then there's no fee, so you don't have to pay a fee. There's many of us that are going to have it, so it's very important that you check it out. Keep an eye on this and see how the changes happen, because all I have is the preliminary information, what they have posted right now. I don't have anything with nuts and bolts. You can't apply yet. So nothing that, is solid right now. So we have to keep an eye on it, and we have to make sure that we are doing exactly what is needed so that we can travel in Europe. I don't know if you guys heard me say that I want to go to Paris in 2025 in September, around my birthday. So I'll have to get one of these ETAIS. And I'm not even sure how to say it. Like I said, it's ETIAS, all capital letters, and ETIAS, something like that, okay? And I just think that it's a travel authorization, and I think it's to help with any kind of problems with people going into the country, any kind of terrorism, criminal activities, all that kind of stuff. So they'll flag people. There'll be people that are not allowed in. There are some countries that have special requirements to get in. There's limited access for other countries. So you really have to check it out for your individual needs, okay? But we as Canadians, I know as Canadians and US counterparts, we will all need one, okay? So it's very, depending on where you're traveling. So if you're traveling in the 30 countries in Europe, you will have to have one, okay? And like I said, I'll have that all listed. So anyway, I just wanted to bring this to your attention. Very little short video, short and sweet and to the point, but very, very important. So if you plan to go to Europe anytime soon, you'll want to be on top of this, okay? And check it out, and I will have everything listed for you, okay, guys? Bright blessings, everyone.